To change the currency on Google Flights, follow these simple steps. First, open Google Flights on your web browser by typing flights.google.com. Once the page loads, you will see a search bar where you can enter your travel details. Next to the search bar, you will see a drop-down menu that displays the current currency. Click on this drop-down menu to view the list of available currencies. You will see a wide range of currencies to choose from, including US dollar, euro, pound, and many more. Select the currency you want to use from the drop-down list as soon as you select a new currency. The prices of all the flights on the page will be updated to reflect the new currency. You can now browse through the available flights and see the prices in your chosen currency. It is essential to note that changing the currency on Google Flights does not affect the actual price of the flight. The airline will still charge you in their local currency, and your bank will convert the amount to your local currency based on the current exchange rate. The currency change feature on Google Flights is mainly for your convenience, allowing you to compare prices and budget for your trip in a currency you are familiar with. By following these steps, you can easily customize the currency on Google Flights and make your flight search more efficient.